Hello students, good morning. Today we will start second chapter. First chapter we have done and I told you question answer, exercise question answer also. I think you have done, you have written in your notebook. If there is a problem, then you can take in your book and you can ask. Now we will start their next chapter, second chapter, nutrition in plant. In first chapter, animal. In first chapter we have done nutrition in the plant and how we can, there is a two type of the nutrition by the plant, that is the autotrophic, heterotrophic we have done. In autotrophic, that is the they can make food on self. Heterotrophic, they will depend on the another. So now we will do their nutrition in animal. In animal, how the nutrition is take place. What is the nutrition? That is the same nutrition is the taking food by an organisms. In nutrition plant also, that is the taking food by the plant. Here also nutrition in animal, taking food by the organisms. There is a different step is take place during this one, taking nutrition. That is there is a different process take place: inhalation, digestion, absorption, and the assimilation, aggregation. These different steps we will read in this chapter. I am telling some basic of this chapter. In this aggregation is the that is the intaking food by organisms. Then if we are taking that, we are eating something, that also that the process of the aggregation. So aggregation is the process of taking food by any organism, that is the aggregation. Digestion means that is a digest our food by break down the complex substances into the simpler substances, that is the digestion. That we are break down that carbohydrates, that proteins into the simpler form, that is the digestion. Absorption, then if we are taking some nutrients, we are taking food, eating something, then after the digestion, some nutrients are absorbed by the different part of the organisms and remaining part will send to the for the aggregation process. So this absorption is the process of the taking nutrients, absorbing nutrients by their food. Assimilation is the process. Assimilation is the process for taking absorption food, that is the process of the utilization that food into for the energy for the working something. Assimilation, that is the process down of the food into energy. Aggregation is the last process, that is the which product is the left, waste product is left, that is the come out from our body. That process is the is known as the aggregation, and this step will take place in organisms with the different part. Now we will read also these different part in our chapter, then from which part we will do which type of the process. These are the different process, we will read it. Now we are start reading of this chapter. Previous chapter we have learned that green plants can prepare their own food by process of the photosynthesis, unlike plants. But animals can't prepare their own food. They depend on the plant for their food directly or indirectly. Yes, I told you that plant can make their food own self by the process of photosynthesis, but animals can't make because they are the depend on the plant and the other animals also. But plant can make own self. We know that all organisms, including human, require food for the growth, for preparing damaged part of our body, for obtaining energy, carry out life processes. Animal nutrition is a process of the taking food by organism and its digestion, absorption, utilization in our body. What are the animal nutrition? That is the taking food by the organisms and they are having the different process: digestion, absorption, utilization in our body from the food. There is a different step process in explanation. There is a different step: inhalation, digestion, absorption, assimilation, aggregation. First, our aggregation is a taken food by any organisms. That is the process by which food is taken inside our body of our organism is called aggregation. When we put the food into our mouth with the hands, We are ingest the food. However, different animal ingest food in a different way, have the special organ for this purpose. Yes, for taking food in our by the organism, there is a different method. In digestion, food of the most animals consist of the complex insoluble substances which we can't absorb by the animal's body in the form. So process of the breakdown of the complex insoluble food substances into simple and soluble food substances with help of the digestive juice prepared by the body is known as the digestion. So digestion is the process of the breakdown of the complex substances into simpler substances that can prepare by the body. Next our process is the absorption. Absorption is a process in which the simple soluble digestive food substances are absorbed into the body, into the blood is called absorption. Assimilation is the utilization that absorbs substances for energy growth and repair, that is the assimilation process. Now next our egestion, there is the undigested and unabsorbed which can't be utilized by the body, that is the removed from the body, and this process is known as the egestion. Now in detail also we have done their different part. Now we are taking the mode of the procuring food. Then there is a different type of the mode by the different type of organisms to taking food. Means you can say different organisms taking food by the different type. First we are telling about the human beings. Human beings are using their hand to take food into mouth. Yes, everyone know, because there is a human being, then we know how we can eat by using hands. Now ruminants, there is a ruminants, for example cow, horse, pick up food directly into their mouth because they are not using hands, they directly pick up with help of mouth. Next our paramecium, that is the unicellular organisms. There is a fine hair-like structure called cilia all over its body part. The constant movement of cilia pushes food particle along with the water current into its mouth. Next, Hydra, a multicellular animal, had the large number of the tentacles around its mouth. In picture also shown, that is the tentacles. With help of these they are taking food around its mouth, which entangle some small aquatic animal and kill them with the stinging cells. The food is then pushed into the mouth, that is the by the hydra. Now the spiders. Spider weave a sticky webs into a small insect, get trapped. They inject digestive juice in the body of insect, which digest all part of the body, and the spider can then suck up the sticky webs to trap the insect and digested food. Now next frog, they are taking the using the sticky tongue by the sample of tongue, they are the catching insect. Frog capture its prey with its prey, means that is the food of the frog, with its long stinky tongue. When an insect come near the frog, it pushes out its sticky tongue to catch the insect. Next insect, the mouth part of the insect, such a butterfly, housefly, mosquito, been modified to form of the feeding tube to suck liquid food. It is simpler the way we sip drink with straw. Insect like butterfly, they are sucking, not feeding. They are sucking liquid form of the food they are taking. So these are the different type of the organisms. They are the different method to take food. Next there is a MCQ question. This for your homework. Try to do yourself. If there will be some problem, then we will solve tomorrow. These MCQ question for homework. Next part will be digestion in human. Now next topic, there is a, in this chapter we will do two type of the nutrition we will do. First is the nutrition in the human being, second we will do the nutrition in the ruminants. First is the digestion in human being. There also I told you there is a different process of the digestion in the human being take place. There is the egestion, then there is a egestion, then there is a digestion, then there is a absorption, assimilation, egestion. These are the 5 steps take place for the human being digestion, nutrition. Now in explain detail we will read tomorrow. There is a different part. Now up to this topic you have to do this MCQ question and read this chapter also. Okay, thank you.